Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to use your Apple Watch Series 9 as a camera remote control. Let's get started. So as a first step, click on this digital crown to open App List and scroll down until you will see this camera icon. Click on it and you would notice that immediately on your phone opened the camera. Now let's take a look on the settings. Click on these three dots to open settings. And right here you'd be able to enable or disable 3 seconds timer, choose on which camera you want to do a photo, turn on, turn off, or leave the flash on auto, choose if you want to do a live photo or not, and also if you want to do the photo in HDR. After you are done with these settings, click done and point your camera on the object that you want to make a photo of. For example, I will choose this flower right here and click this white button right here to make a photo. And after this, you'd be able to immediately see the result by clicking on this photo right here. And that's it! Now you know how to use your Apple Watch Series 9 as a camera remote controller. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.